at one event, I had said that if Mukesh Ambani had to raise his salary, he has to take your permission first in AGM. That, dear shareholder, with your permission, can I raise my salary? So just imagine. So don't abuse. As I said, that stock market is a blessed business till you abuse it. We abuse this business by so many things. By leveraging, we abuse this business. By, if we don't understand, but we want to drive the car, ultimately you will bang the car and you will hurt yourself. So this is what's happening in the stock market. The only way to make money in the stock market is there is only one mantra which I have understood besides so many other rules and principles and all, that don't try to become a crorepati overnight. If you like to become a crorepati overnight, it will be disastrous for you. So as in Hindi, as they say that dhire dhire re mana, dhire sab kuch hoy, mali siche so gada ritu ay phal hoy. So however you sow your, water your plant, ultimately flowers will bloom in spring only. So you have to wait for that. It's a business of knowledge, courage, and patience. You should have a knowledge to identify a good script. You should have courage to buy a reasonable quantity. I met many people, suppose they are having a worth of, so for example, 100 rupees, and they're very knowledgeable also. When it comes to buy shares, they will buy just 1 rupee shares out of their 100 rupees net worth. 100 rupees investable fund, they will buy 1 rupee worth of shares in one company because they don't have that kind of courage. I think that is not a good idea, that is a bad idea. It is something like, I always say that it is like taking one run on a no ball. So in cricket terms, if a no ball is there, then you should take at least 6 runs. If you are not taking 6 runs and taking 1 run, that means you have lost 5 runs. So that is what courage is very important in this market. And of course, patience, which I described earlier, that patience is the key in this market. So I always believe that investing is very simple, but you have to spend time here. Investing is simple. We only make it very complex. People like complex things. People don't like simple things. I'd give an example at few places that there is Dettol and there is Savlon. So both cure your wound, But market share of Dettol is 80-85%. And which is manufactured by Reckitt and Beckinsale, I think, MNC's company. And Savlon also does the same thing. It is produced by Johnson & Johnson, I think, all great conglomerate. But why market share of Savlon is lesser than Dettol? So I realized maybe because when you put Dettol, it burns. It gives you a bad odor, bad smell it gives you. So people think that, okay, it is getting cured because I'm getting a bad smell, I'm getting a, it's burning. And Savlon does not give you, neither it burns or not it give you a bad odor. So people think that maybe Savlon is not that effective. So this is the investing, this is the same thing applicable into stock market.